In this video, we will see how to arrange measurement lines. Imported measurement lines can be quickly organized in a grid by distributing them based on their direction and profile spacing, or individually by setting the X, Y offsets and angles. By clicking on an individual line from the measurements, a position section will appear on the right panel, from which we can change the X, Y origin and direction of this specific measurement line. In addition, we can change the length of the measurement line or the trace separation. There is also an option for reversing the line in the opposite direction. Right-clicking on a single or multiple selected measurements will load their context menu. From here, we can move lines to the X or Y direction, or to the top item of the measurements list, but also show, hide, or rename a line. We can select multiple lines and drag these to move them either to the X or Y direction folder. Let's move lines 1 to 7 to Y and 8 to 14 to X. By selecting the X direction or Y direction in the measurements, again the position section would appear on the right panel, from which we can set the X, Y origin for the selected direction and the angle of its measurements. To arrange the measurements in a direction quickly, you can use the Distribute Lines feature, which arranges the lines based on the profile separation. Now our grid is ready.